Hey, today I'll show you how to unsend an email in Gmail Mail. So I just have composed this mail, it's a test email and I will send it to myself. Let's try to send and I'll show you how to unsend something. A new message just pop up in the bottom left corner. I will press on undo and now as you can see I just recall that email and I have this back, and if I will go to inbox I will not even find this mail. But if I will press again on send, you can see the message says message sent, undo, view message, and the button undo will disappear after 5 seconds. Let's see how can we increase the length in which we can recall an email. So if we go to settings, then press on see all settings, I will find here a setting under general which says undo sends, send cancellation period for 5 seconds. This is on default. I can extend the period for 30 seconds. Let's scroll down and press on save changes. And now I'll try to compose again an email for myself. I'll just name it test and press on send. And now the message from the bottom left corner will stay for like 30 seconds. But unfortunately, there is no way how you can extend that period for over 30 seconds. And also, if you send an email like an hour ago, a day ago, there is no current way how you can undo, how you can recall that email with the current settings we have from Gmail. And this is the only way how you can unsend, how you can recall an email in Gmail Mail. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you have a great day.